Hello and welcome to this exciting video where I'm going to turn this $16 account to at least 1,000. So in most of my videos I usually trade derivative synthetics, so I've decided to do a video where I will be trading currencies and only currencies using an Exness account. So one of the advantages of using an Exness account is that it offers unlimited leverage that can allow you to pull a very big trade with a small account. So without wasting much of your time, just click the link in the description box below and create an Exness account so that you can get up to unlimited leverage and start trading today. Don't forget to click the link and join my Telegram channel where I'll be posting important trading information that can help you in your trading career. So without wasting much of your time, let me jump right into it. So I'm going to start with a Euro card. So this is a pair against the euros and the Canadian dollars. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I've already drawn the lines, but however I'm going to make them clear so that you can understand. So the first thing that we do is we make sure that our chart is as clear as possible so that we can draw and identify major levels. So the first thing that we do is we draw a line that is marking the support. So this is a line that is connecting all the lower lows. So as you can see, this was a downtrend. So if it's a downtrend, it means we are connecting the lower lows and we are aiming for a breakout to the upside, or rather we are aiming for a reversal. You can either choose to trade a continuation, it's up to you, but at this point I'm going to see what's going to happen so that I can make the decision. So as you can see now, I've drawn the upper and the lower line. These two lines are marking the support and the resistance. So these two major levels are very important because they tell you where the market is going and they tell you all the major levels that are being respected by the market. So now that you have marked all those lines, you then start to mark the lower lows that was created. These points are the areas where the market is going to face a little bit of a challenge before they can proceed to whatever direction they intend to proceed. So there was kind of a double bottom at the bottom there. So the double bottom is associated with two lines that are being touched at different levels, but then they follow a line, or they follow some principles that they have to respect. So in other words, at this point we are aiming for the price to reach that neckline over there. So once it reaches that neckline, it's going to face a little bit of a challenge because it is a major confluence level. But however, for now we can buy the market because we know that the market is aiming for that neckline. And then after some time, we've already doubled the account and we are still going to continue holding. So in terms of take profit, you put it at the next area of confluence, that is the neckline, as I always explain in most of my videos. So we're going to continue holding till the price reaches that take profit. So I just put it at just slightly above the neckline because I know that the market is going to continue going up for a very long time. As you can see, my take profit has already been hit. Now the account is in $20 and we are still going. We are in $55 profit. As you can see, the take profit has already been hit. But however, we are aiming for that second take profit and maybe we can close it around there. Or since the market has already reached that, it's actually time to close because it might be retracing. So this is how you just trade this double bottom, or rather the W strategy. So let me close, and then now we are in $71 profit. Let's look for a trade elsewhere. Remember, we are trading currencies only, so I'm going to visit the Euro New Zealand dollar. So this one, I identified a falling wedge, or rather a channel that was in a downtrend. So if we identify this thing, if you draw the trend lines quite well, it means you can get this correctly. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to make sure that the lines are touching the wicks, not the body. So these lines are very important because they tell you where the market is going. So the market was in a downtrend, but there was a breakout to the upside, and then the market came with a retest where I've just put the shadow zone. So this shadow zone marks the area, the latest lower low that was created, or rather the support line that was created by the retest. So it means that if the market is going to come back, we will put that as our stop loss. So I just decided to put this so that you guys can know how to draw, or how to identify, or how to decide where to put your stop loss. So I'm going to put the stop loss and the take profit markers so that you can know where to put the stop loss and where to put the take profit. So this is very important because you know how to trade, and you know the areas where you put the stop loss and the take profit. So this is a candlestick breakout, or a trend line breakout. So this thing has already gone a very, very long way. I should have caught it just after the retest, at that point where I've put the shadow zone. But however, I'm still going to ride it to the top and make sure that I utilize it because I know it's going to go up. So what you have to know is sometimes you have to take a lot of time analyzing. As you can see, we are in 4-hour time frame. Sometimes it might take days just to make that profit. So it has to be correct so that you can wait for something that's going to happen. And you also have to manage your emotions, your fear, your greed, and your hope, so that you don't lose, and so that you can still continue to hold the market even though it's in loss. As you can see, the market spiked high and it is still going to continue going up. But however, I think I've already collected enough. I've closed, and then now I'm going to visit the US dollar against the Swiss franc. So this is one of the most volatile markets in the current space. So the first things that we do is marking the support and the resistance. These two shadow zones are marking those two lines, and then we also mark other areas of confluence that are important. So these two lines, or these lines, show you where the market is going, and also at this point where I've put the support line. So this point, we are being showed that the market was in a rising channel, a trend line that was going up, and then there was a little bit of a head and shoulders that was completed quite a long time ago. So this head and shoulders was completed up to the shoulder line, or up to the neckline, and then the market has to complete the whole body. So this is the shoulder line where I'm putting the shadow zone right now, but the market has to pass through that neckline. So for that, we know that the market has to continue selling, so we are going to aim for a sell and make sure that you utilize that sell. So the market is going to test that support line that was created by that lower low that was created. So in the 5-minute time frame, we can see that the market is in a downtrend. So for that, we know that the market will respect its major levels of confluence in that 5-minute time frame. So those two lines they created a fair value gap, or rather in the 5-minute time frame there was a fair value gap. It means that the market cannot pass through to the upside of that fair value gap, hence the market is going to sell. And then after some time, as you can see, we have sold and the market is spiked down, and it is still going to continue going down. So other major areas of confluence is where I'm putting the shadow zone, and that's where our take profit is going to go. So we've already doubled the account or tripled. I don't even know how much times that $186 account can get into that 1,000. More than 8 times, I guess. But however, that's what you have to aim in the market, because if you know that the market is going to spike low, you have to make sure that it spikes while you are still in it. You have to ride it to the end. You have to make sure that you utilize each and every trade that you make, because good trades do not come that often. You have to make sure that if you see a setup that you know, you have to make sure that you utilize it very well. So I'm going to close the market and then just be content with this. So make sure that you create an Exness account and get unlimited leverage so that you can pull big trades with a small account. And let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any important update that I'm going to post in the near future. See you in the next video.